Kitchen and Garden. I am Bethan and today I'm in my kitchen as I'm going to be showing you how I cook my Turks Turban squash. You can use the same method for any other kind of squash, but you might not need to cook other squashes as long because the Turks Turban has a very hard exterior, which means that it's really hard to cut into to use the flesh in its raw state. So I always cook it first and then use it cooked. So I don't need to explain to you why it's called a Turks Turban, do I? But I love these squashes. They taste delicious and I just think they look fab. They when they grow in, they sort of like go through different colours, and it's sort of like when they settle on their orange colour, it's really sort of like, oh, the autumn is coming now, you know. It's really evocative, I find. But anyway, it's not very it doesn't take much to cook. You just need to put some water in the bottom of your roasting pan, put the squash there, and then place in your oven at 180°C. So I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I think it's about gas mark 4 or 5. It's not a very high temperature, and I just want to leave it to cook for about 40 minutes to an hour. Because it's quite a large squash, I reckon it'll take about an hour. I'll come back in 40 minutes and I'll show you how I check whether it's done or not. So 40 minutes have now passed and I'm going to check and show you how I check whether it's done or not. So let's get it out of the oven and have a look. Now, a very easy way to check whether it's done is to have a very sharp knife and just cut into it. Now that's gone through, but it's a bit hard to cut the rest. So that top bit is done, but this bit needs longer, which is what I sort of expected. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes and check again after that. So we'll give this another try now. Yeah, that's done this time. Cuts through nice. So we'll get that onto a chopping board and cut it in quarters. Okay. Just going to check that it's all cooked. Yeah, the knife goes in lovely. So this will now be great for adding to the end of any recipes, and it segues quite nicely because I'm going to be doing a couple of recipes with some squash this week, which I'm going to film and show you guys because it's January and we all have indulged, well, I speak for myself, just myself, I have indulged too much over Christmas. So not only have I eaten too much, but I've spent too much. So now I'm looking around in all my cupboards and greenhouses to see what I have lying around that I could make some hearty and healthy meals from. So please stay tuned, and if you like what you've seen today and you would be interested in seeing more about what I'm going to do with this Turks turban, then please subscribe to my channel, and also if you would like to comment or give it a thumbs up as well, that would be great too. So all I can say about cooking this Turks turban, before I go, you can now just eat it like this as well. This is delicious, like with gravy and on a roast dinner, or add it to anything really. You can have it cold in a salad, anything you want. Anyway, all I can say about cooking this Turks turban is lovely job.